Hood support rods are inexpensive and easy to replace, so I don't understand why folks leave them broken as often as I find them. But you basically put a screwdriver in there and pull this back and it'll just slide off. Same thing on the bottom. You got one on each side. They work exactly the same. And I'll show you, this is literally less than a 5-minute job, and then your hood will stay open. And there you go. I will put a link in the description where you can get your own. The nice thing is you don't need any tools to reinstall. They just snap over the existing points. I've never had one that's this difficult to put on before. For whatever reason, these are really tight. So we will pry open the clip before installing. I don't know why they're so tight. They normally just snap right on just by pushing them. Just snap that on, then it will lock in place. And you see just one is holding the hood open, so 2 will be overkill. Alright, got those pried back. Like I said, I've never had to do that before on an installation. They're usually just snapped right on. I don't know why these are so much harder to work with. Alright, so I lied a little bit. Not intentionally. Like I said, these are normally 5-minute easy peasy jobs. So I don't know, because the hole sizes and everything seem to match. But it was just really stubborn. Exercise them a little bit. See, now when you just barely lift up. Less than $20, and it should be 5 minutes or less. So again, I don't know why anybody doesn't fix those when those go bad, but there it is. Hope that was helpful. Really need a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave some comments. Thank you very much.